Hello everybody, this is Katerina and Nordstrom Beauty Stylist. I don't work for any brand. I just work straight to Nordstrom, but I work with so many beauty brands. Yes, I touch and I feel and I experience. I have a big experience with makeup, with so many brands we carry, luxury brands like Chanel, Lancôme, Charlotte Tilbury, La Sicily. Every luxury brand wanna be in a Nordstrom door. But today we're gonna talk about my favorite lip liners, because it's so many brands. But if you are Nordic girl, if you like a luxury makeup, yes, I would like to let you know my favorite lip liners, which one I using, I selling, and never returns, because everybody like it. And why? Because I like it, I try it, I am experienced with these lip liners, and then I'm like, girls, this is the best. Okay, let's start. First lip liner, which one my favorite lip liners, and it's by Lancôme. Yes, if you're watching my channel, you see all the time I use a Lancôme lip liner, and this is lip liner. It's I believe $28. Yes, $28. Why I like this? Why it's number one? And this is its color Fragile. First of all, I like you have two ends here. Here where is your lip liner, and here you have a lip brush. Yes, you get a lip brush for free. Second, I like its waterproof lip liner. It's so hard to find waterproof lip liner, but voila, this is your waterproof formula. It's so soft. It's so easy to apply. It just not will even stretch your lip line. It's just such an amazing formula. Again, this will be my favorite lip liner, and we have variety colors. My favorite is Fragile, Charm, Bronzel, Ideal. The more neutral colors, but if you're looking for some like rich colors, NARS will be more darker color, really like it. But then Sheer Natural, it's my favorite color. It's also a nudish color, but this lip liner, it's number one. And we do have another lip liner from Lancôme. It will be my also must-have lip liner. If you don't like to sharp your lip liner, even I prefer to have this one, because you have way more products than in retractable one, right? But if you don't like to use sharpener, voila, Lancôme have retractable lip liner, and I believe it's $26. It's very easy to scroll, and you can go down, and it's also very soft to apply on your lip line. It's not harsh. It's such amazing product. And I see so many women, sometimes they come and they're like not pointy. I like pointy, and just use a little bit paper towel and you can shape your lip liner this way. And this is its color Cherry. And why I also like retractor lip liners from Lancôme, because they have such a beautiful colors, whereas like, oh, so many brands right now, nude brown, they have pink, they have like orange and the tone, just such a great lip liners. Again, this one waterproof, it's 28, I believe this 26, but this is two lip liner will be my favorite brand. That's it. Then when sometimes it's sold out and you cannot order, I am going to another brand, and and it's Christian Dior. This is its sample. It will be like almost the same amount as Lancôme, and it also have a brush because the sample size I received for free from Dior. It's looks a little bit small. Dior lip liner, again, this is sample. Full size, it's $31, but it's coming with sharpener. It's also very pigment, and it's very soft. It is long wearing lip liner. It's not waterproof, but it's smudge proof, and it's coming again with sharpener, because for Lancôme lip liner you need to buy a sharpener, but they're very similar. Maybe Lancôme slightly formula a little bit softer, but I like Dior too. And this lip liner have a sea bara, it's have a peony extract, and I believe pomegranate flowers. Okay, number 3 lip liner, which one I really like it, it's Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury lip liners. This is how it's come. It's coming with no brush on another end, and I'm not sure if it's coming with sharpener in the box. I don't think it's coming with sharpener in the box, but I really like it. It's also very small and very soft formula. I like how it stays. I like colors, which ones they have. They have like a big variety, and it's really popular right now. And I'll say, okay, this is brand popular. I like something from this brand, this and that. But lip liner, I really like. I'm not 100% sold on Charlotte Tilbury products, but for lip liners and eyeliners, really good. Okay, what price? Let me check price for this lip liner. Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, it's $24. It's do not come with sharpener, and but for this price I think it's a really good price. You can buy sharpener, it's like from them or from different brand, and it usually costs like $5-6. But I love this lip liner. It goes very smooth and velvety, and it's not waterproof, but believe me or not, like when it stays really good, just like Dior, sorry, Lancôme waterproof or Dior. It stays really good, nothing moving, and again it has this velvet texture. I really like it. Okay, this is its number 3, my favorite lip liner brand. Then we are going to another brand, and this is its brand, Kylie Jefferson. To me, this lip liner, softest lip liner I ever felt in my life. It's very buttery, it's very creamy and rich, and again it goes like, I can't, it's like it just goes so smooth. I absolutely in love with this lip liner. 100%. If you will put on your entire lips, will not dry your lips. It will still stay very hydrating. I received this lip collection from Nordstrom. I believe it's exclusive to Nordstrom, and it's Kylie matte lip collection. You have inside long wearing lipstick, and you have lip liner, and this lip liner, it's smudge proof, it's waterproof, it's have a stay power. What else did they say? And I think long lasting lip color, exclusive, to Nordstrom, and again it's waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof. This set for 2 items inside, it's $29. You have full size lip color, and again you have inside lip color. I really like it. I think I never tried, and it stays really good. I just love her, particularly these products. I love. Then what else we're gonna go? We are coming to lip liner from Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, I love Yves Saint Laurent lip liner. It's have a little bit brush on one end. Oh sorry, you have sharpener here. It's retractables, and you have like a little spoolie, like not spoon, like a very soft like tip here, and you can use either lip brush, and it's retractable. I really like colors. I think Yves Saint Laurent have amazing like collection of colors. At Nordstrom right now, I think we don't even have one for sale, but I checked with SaintLaurent.com. They do have this lip liner for sale, and I absolutely like colors, formula, texture, and I never have even one person return this lip liner. If you look for retractable, yes, I do like Lancôme. I'm happy with Lancôme, but if I have in a store Lancôme or Lancôme and Yves Saint Laurent, I go to Yves Saint Laurent for some reason first, and then I go for if it's sold out, I reach into Lancôme. But I love this. This will be my favorite retractable lip liner. I'm not sure if I can even list a link from Nordstrom because we completely sold out. I love colors, and let me check price for you. I just checked. This is a $31 lip liner right now. It's like 6 hour wearing cream matte finish lip color. Again, it's said we don't have it Nordstrom, but I checked so many retail luxury retailers still carry this lip liner. Next lip liner, which one I really like it, it's by Estee Lauder Double Wear. I got this color, and it's 08 Spice in one of my Estee Lauder gift was purchased. But I love this lip liner. They are actually a little bit similar to Lancôme. I feel like it's the same stay power. The Lauder lip liner full size, again this is samples, it's $28. It's very actually similar to Lancôme. If I will have like both products together from like far, you will say it looks the same. Yes, they both have like brush on another end, and it's a 12-hour stay power. But different between Lancôme and Estee Lauder, this is your waterproof. If you want something waterproof and stay, Lancôme. But again, this lip liner, it goes so smooth, very similar to me texture wise formula. It just different 12-hour stay of waterproof. But remember, Lancôme still my number one. It's still winning. Then we're going to another 2 lip liner, and we're almost done with you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comments below. I need your little help. I just recently become 1,000 YouTube subscriber, and also I like to give giveaway. Yeah, I'm doing often. I'm not a stingy like beauty blogger, like subscribe me, text to this person, follow me, this and that. I just like to give, and next video I'm gonna do some lip giveaway for you. Please please watch my another video. Okay, I have two lip liners. I have one lip liner from Clinique and one lip liner from NARS. We're gonna do this number 9. It's gonna be my lip liner from Clinique. It's not bad lip liner. I like colors too. It is retractable lip liner. I actually like it, and they have some colors where it's like hard to find. They have beautiful colors, but for some reason my customers, like, they will buy, I will sell them, they will not return, but next time they will tell me, Katerina, sell me something else. But I think it's just great lip liners. I don't see big difference. Lip liners who's retractable, let's say Saint Laurent or Lancôme, it's not big difference. Difference between, I will say, Saint Laurent or Lancôme, I don't even know where is. It feels more luxury in my hand than Clinique. But if you don't care about how it feels, products, it's almost will be the same. You can buy this lip liner from Clinique. I think it's a great, I own, I purchased couple, and I like them. I actually like them. Clinique lip liner, only $20, but allergy tested, fragrance free, and you don't need to use sharpener. It's a great buy. And then last one, lip liner, which one I have, I truly don't really get it, but I need to tell you. Okay, it's my least favorite lip liner. Why? Because I feel it's a little bit hard, like it's not soft enough for me. And even when I charge this, sometimes I feel this can be break because it's hard. It's not like soft like another lip liner, but I selling a lot. It's not like I bring into customers, say, hi, let me sell you this. No, I see so many customers coming and buying this lip liner, and it's they repeat this transaction. I have like maybe 10 or 20 customers who in love, and I don't even sell them. They come to me, they already know what they want. This is why I still decide to show you this lip liner, because it's just really popular. Let me tell you price, but it's my last or least favorite probably lip liner. Lip liner is only $24. It's paraben free. Again, if you happy with these lip liners, I'm happy for you, but sorry, it's not one of my favorite. And I actually think about this last one, but no, I have one last one, but good one too. Lancôme lip liner. This is it's a sample. It's $32. If it's like a product, you will have a brush on another end, and it's coming with sharpening. Yes, it's long wearing. It's not waterproof, but it's long wearing, and I love Chanel lip liners. I think it's like icon of lip colors and lip formulas. It just goes so smooth. I like color. My favorite color, it's neutral beige or Pivoni, I don't know, it's hard to pronounce this. 165, it's right here. I love this lip liner. Again, $32, but for $32 you get a brush, you get lip liner, and you have a sharpener. What a steal! And if you want something to have from Chanel, choose lip liner, because you can use for lips, You can use this your lipstick, and you can use this as a sharpener, which one it's common for eyeliner. It's a good buy. I hope again you like this video. Comments below. I will link all products below, which one we carry at Nordstrom. Please support you. Again, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video.